So the UK cell and gene therapy industry has never been so buoyant and rapidly growing. It's actually quite phenomenal that it's firing on all cylinders. You've got the CAR-Ts, which are now becoming well-manufactured processes, obviously rapidly evolving as well, but there's lots of investment in that sector. You've got gene therapies coming through and gene therapy manufacturing growing all of the time. You've got, obviously with the COVID experience, the introduction of RNA into the landscape, and there's a lot of investment going into that area. A lot of investment going into non-viral gene delivery technologies and new growth opportunities there. And one of the more recent regrowth areas, if you like, is the evolution of cell-delivered therapeutics, often based upon iPSCs, induced pluripotent stem cells, but that's an area that's getting renewed interest as a, if you like, a vector for delivering gene therapies into patients. So the industry as a whole is thriving at all levels, and it's key to keep that going. In the next few years, we see increased levels of investment, increased levels of clinical activity, and some more fantastic results.